Recording. Okay. So the record have started. So basically, how many members on basis that every member, each and every member, get their own sheet like this one. Okay, own sheet like this one. We will send those sheet on their emails. Like if we have 10 members, you have to give us our those 10 members name, Gmail, gender, number, so that we will make their IDs from those information. After that, we will send those ID, send those files, send those work file into their given Gmail. Okay, like this one. Like this person have names something. After that, she gives this Gmail to us. After we create her account, then we send those you send this file, send this Google sheet on their mail. Okay, like this one. You can see this. Okay. After that, you can go from here to the sheet. So basically, in this sheet, there is some information, the work information and your ID information. So basically, what is your ID information? This ID information is like this one. This one is will be your ID. Okay. Just click on here. It will be appear on this box. After that, just copy it from here. Not from here. Don't copy from here. That Control C or Control F, Control V. Don't copy it from here. When you click it, it just appear on this box. After that, you can copy it from here. Okay. And copy it from here and go to the our website. And how do you go to our website? It also linked in this place. You can also go it from here. That's link to bench. Okay, the link to workbench. If you click this link, and data hub website will be appearing in front of you. Okay. After that, you just put the username which was from this box, which you get from this box, and then the password. This is the password. Even again, you click on this password, the password box. After that, it will be appear in the upper box. Just copy it from here and just paste it. Okay, paste it and log in. I have to confirm you at first. You have to be very careful about login, because if you try 3 times with a wrong password, with a wrong details or something wrong happen, you cannot log in. If you try 3 times and you are failed, then your account will be locked. That is a huge problem, because when our account is locked, we have to put ourselves in a very much hassle to unlock it. So for that, be careful about this part. You have to just if any issues come, if you that copy this perfectly, but again you can log in, then for the first time you can someone is copying this, but there is a T without the marking zone. Okay, for that time it happens. Okay, so some careless times. Okay, but basically if you copy the proper things, it will not happen. Okay, after that you have to sign in. So whenever you sign into your workbench, you have you can see a lot of things in here, but don't touch those files, because these are not for you. Those are, if you do transcribe those files, then it will be not count as you. How can you count as a work, and how can you achieve the work? In this sheet, each and every person gonna get files like this one. This person get this file, this file, this file, this file. So basically, at first we are giving one file or two file, or you can see that there is no file also. You can also see that there is no file. If there is no file, or if file is complete, like suppose this file is complete. Okay, this file transcription complete. Just whenever transcription is complete, just come to this file and tick on this file done box. Okay. After that second file, there is second file. You also just transcribe that. And also you just go to the checkbox. You just tick on this box, so that we will know that these two file has already submitted. These two file already transcribed. Okay. And also there is a duration. The file, how time is the file duration? there's 12 minutes, there's 10 minutes. So basically you don't have you don't have to do a long time for this 12 minutes, or you can complete it within you can complete it within a 1 days more 1 days. You can this two file can complete in 1 days. Okay. So
Okay.
if they try hard, or if they concentrate on the workbench. So after that, whenever there is no file, suppose there is two file, and you have transcribed both of those, and you have just click on those, but there is no other file which you have to work. There is no other file. For that, you have to request the file that is in here. You have to just green tick. You have to tick in here that you can read this line also. Is the last file done? This means the last file is done. Okay. You need file. Do you need file? Then check. Check box in the green cell. You have to just click on this file, so that whenever you just click in here, we will understand that you need file. Then we will come to your sheet and put the file number in your sheet, so that this number will be not the similar to the other one. Okay. You have to you're gonna get the different file from the other, so that you are just working on your own file. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the information about this sheet. Okay. So basically, what you have to do first, you have to copy this mail, your username. You have to copy this password. Log into the workbench. You have to copy this whatever it is file name. You have to copy this file name. So after that, go to the file name option. This is the file name option. Just paste in here. Go to the work. After that, you have to just like, and let me show you one. After that, whenever this file is finished, go to the checkbox, just click in here. The file is done. After that, this also file is done. After that, there is no file. Click on this cell. Click on cell. This cell means you need file. We will come to your sheet after that and give the new file. Okay. So let me show you the last file that you can copy it from here. You can Control C that, and also you go to the workbench and just find it down. Okay. Just find it down. This all file are approved, so I can go to enter this file. I can go on these files. Let me see that is there any file which is not approved. Let me see so that I can go there. No, all file are approved already. Okay, I got a file in here. Unstable. This one. Okay, just like in suppose whenever you just enter the those ID those file number, that you wanna get just one. Like let me show you. Let's suppose this one is a 625 or 1065 file. Okay. 1065. The file number is, so what is the file number? The last part of the file number is the number of the file. Like this file number is 330. This file number is 332. You can also search it by those number also. If you write those number, you will search that file, that particular file. Okay, like this one. After that, whenever those file appear, you have to just go to the transcribe button. You have to click on this transcribe button, the pen button. Okay, so you have to just click on here. The main file, you will enter the workbench. So, but I'm not going to this file because this file is approved. So if I go to this file, it will be a mess up. So let me go to the any other file which is not approved. Okay, like this one. Okay, this file is not approved, so I can go use this file to show you. So what do you have to do? Just click on the transcribe button. After that, you just enter the your workplace. Okay, workplace means where is the audio and where is the written box where you have to write. So basically, this whole things is so easy if you understand that. Okay, so let me start. On this platform, you have to just at first you have to make speakers. Speakers means who are talking, like a woman talking. You have to make a woman speaker, like on this part. Okay, on this part, on this audio, you are hearing like there is a woman speaking. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me share my sound. Okay, I don't have to share my sound. Okay, just you think that there is a woman talking. Okay, there is a
Okay.
woman who is talking. Who is talking on this web seems like a music. I think so. Yes, this one is the woman speech. Okay, this one is the woman. Like suppose this one is the woman. This one is the man. This was the woman. So for that, you have to make a speaker. Whenever you hear there is a woman in the audio at first, you have to make a woman speaker. Woman, you have to write a woman speaker. Like what? Like how? You have to put W as a bigger and woman. Okay, and this is a woman one because this woman is the first one. You have to just woman write woman one without no space between, and just click on add. There is that woman speaker already added. Okay, and she is native and gender is female. Then save it.
Okay.
And save it. It's saved. Okay, it's saved. Then so whenever the woman is speaking, like on this part, that woman is speaking. So for this part, you have to choose a woman speaker from this speech box. In this speech box, you have to each and every segment. All we call this a segment. Okay, this one is a segment. This one is another segment. If I go, this one is another segment. This one is another segment. So basically, you have to make your segment as your own. Like in this in suppose there is a woman talking. Okay, there's a woman talking. You think that is the part where she ends or where you have to cut. You just have to put those lines. You can see there is a line. Can you see that? Whenever I click, there is a line. This is a line.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you think I can cut in here, there is a woman voice, there is a man voice, so I have to separate this audio as a two segment for a two person speech. For that you have to just cut in here. How can I cut that? Is split that you just click on the best place where is not any kind of audio. I can see there is no any kind of audio. Don't cut on any word, between the word. Just cut a space where is not any word. Just click on there and place split. Okay.
Okay.
Just click there and place split. After that, you can see it will be splitted. Okay, let's see. There is a two segment now. Okay, yeah, each and every segment has a different box in here. Like this segment, this box. Whenever you click on this segment, this box, like four. This segment
Yeah.
was three. This segment
Yeah.
four. This
Yeah.
segment five. So each and every segment have its own box, which will be automatically create when you speed any audio. Like this one, you speed this audio again, and there will be a two segment, and there will be a two box for those each and every particular segment. So
Okay.
understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how it's work. After that, like suppose there is a woman talking something, like whatever it is, just write it down, write it down, write it down. After that, you have to click on the speaker. Who speaker is talking on this segment? You have to just select it from here. Like woman one is talking, and after that you have to select it in here. That this is a speech or this is a Babel music noise. So basically, whenever someone is talking, this is speech. Then you have to just click on speech and select this is speech. After that, you just hear the words, what is she saying, and you have to just write it down. After that,
Okay.
whenever this part is done, you have to go to the second part. You have to go to the second part again. Who is talking? You have to just write it down. Select his speaker and select is the speech. Select the speech that this is not a music part. This segment is not a noise part. This segment have a speech, and this segment is good speech that I can understand. So I have to just select in speech and mark as a speech and just write it down. Write it down what is the speech is. Okay, and,
Okay.
and after that, your segment cannot be over 15 seconds. Each and every segment has to below 15 seconds. Like this segment, each and every mark is a second, means a second. This is 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6 second. So basically, when you start the work, you will understand that in which portion I have already limit my like 10 seconds, like 12 seconds. You will understand that. Okay, whenever you start the work, that you don't have to cut like a 15 second segment. That is one segment which is a 15 second. This segment is like 5 7 second. This segment is like a say 5 6 7 second. Just make a segment like a 10 second or 12 second. If
Yeah.
there is, if you can say now that there is a person who is still talking like 1 minute, then how can I split it? Then you have to just split it as a 10 10 10 10, or you can split it 7 10 5 6 7 10 12 13 14, not but just not more than 15. Okay, you have to just write it down like this stuff. This is a woman, like suppose this is a 10 second segment, and after that you just get this place where is no audio, where is no words. You just cut it here for the for not because there is a words, so you can't cut on this part because it will be cut word into half word. So for that you have to be careful with the split. So you have to split on the middle part where is the not no audio, no words. You have to just cut in it. So in suppose there is a 10 second segment. After that you think that this is the place where I have to cut. You just click on here. You have to you just cut a segment. You have just created a segment which is 10 seconds. After that, this woman is still talking. This is the woman one, and again on this segment, this also that woman is still talking. Just select the woman one. After that, this one is still this one is woman one. Then select the woman one. No need to worry that this one is woman one, this one is woman one, this one is woman one. So how can I cut? Just cut it down, and each and every box you have to select the woman one. This is the woman one talking. Which is speaking? I'm just writing. Okay, I'm just writing. So woman one is speaking, woman one is speaking, woman one is speaking. I just split it below 15 seconds and just write it down every segment that this woman is speaking this. After that, again that woman which is woman one is speak this. Again this woman which is woman one is speak this audio is this words in this portion. So this is the woman one. Understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever if you see that this is a part, this is a woman one, this is the woman one. After that, this is the woman one. But there is a someone else come in the audio like a man. He is a man. So that you have to just make another speaker name which is man. You have to man have to write in as a first letter as a capital and like a woman, and after that man, and this one is a man one. Before that there is no man talk, so this is a man one. You have to make a man one. After that you have to add like a woman on how just you did before. This gender is a male. After that you have to say that that will be appear on this box. Okay, just before that there is just woman on. Now you can see there is a man one also. So that you whenever this man one is talking, you just have to select the man one and just write it down. That man one is saying this, and that's it. There is nothing more. But if you think there is a person came, and again there is a person came who is a woman, but not the first one. There is a woman who is not the first one. You have to select, and you have to make another person that a woman. This one will be a two. Okay, there's a second woman.
Okay.
Then woman two. Like that, if there is a second man come in the audio, you have to man two. If there is a third woman comes in this audio, you have to write woman three. So basically, you're gonna find 2 or 3 or maximum 4 speaker in this audio. So you don't have to worry about that much. So this is the process of writing the speaker. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then after that, let me tell you more. If someone like this one, like on this audio, is like suppose this is a host who is just this is the anchor who is just hosting a program. So basically, what happened in our host on our program that hello there, welcome to my show. I'm Nikita Rahman. I'm a fashion designer. I'm hosting this show, and thank you to join us. So you hear that woman name is Nikita Rahman. You understand that name? Her name is Nikita. Okay, then you have to just go to the speaker. At first, you just mark it as a woman, but on that time you have to just clear this part, and you have to just write his name as a capital as a first spelling capital, like a Nikita, and is capital, then everything is small letters, Nikita. Okay, after that there is another part of his name, like Nikita Rahman. You have to just put a for the second part you have to put a capital letter Rahman. Okay, Rahman. And if you think there is a something more in his name, that like he's a three part of name, you have to just you like before you have to just Pandey, like his name is also a Pandey because is Nikita Rahman Pandey. So you have to just put up P as a capital and then Panday. Okay, this is the how you speak write the speaker name. when you know that speaker is this is a Nikita Rahman Pandey, you understand this person is Nikita. If you don't know her name, if he didn't say her name, then you don't have to write it down. You can write it down as Omen one. Okay. Will be happen when she says her name very clearly, and you can understand, you can define this person is this. But if you don't define, if she didn't say that she is this, she is this, if she didn't say, or if he didn't say that she is this, he is this, he is not, then you don't have to write. You don't have to write the name. You just have to write man one, woman one. If she or he says like a man one, if there is the man who is a Joseph Costa. His name is Joseph Costa. Okay, like see, you can see that I have just put a capital for J, Joseph J. I have capital. After that space and Costa C capital. Okay, Costa C capital. So these are the right from of the right those speaker name. After that you have to update. Okay, those are already updated. So you can see those name woman and woman one, man one has changed. Now it's become a Joseph Costa and Nikita Rohan Pandey. Okay, you can on for the forward audio, you can just use their name for their text. You can use that this person is the, and also if you think that in this audio they don't tell their names, they tell their names, but on the last portion she tell her name, like my name is Nikita Rahman. Okay, then nothing to worry. You don't have to change all the segment. You don't have to change. Just go to the speaker. That was a woman one. You just change it as in her name. That will be automatically changed. That woman one automatically change as a Nikita Rahman Pandey. Okay, you don't have to change each and every segment if it stays in the last.
Okay.
So this is the speaker, and there is another speaker who is very common in every audio. Who is very common and who is very important. That is no. This is a dash. After that is speech. So no speech. No speech means when you have to use this tag, use this speaker when there is a no audio. The dialect will be non-native, and Zeno will be unknown, no speech. And after that, you have to say this is the common speaker name in each and every audio. This is the common one. You have to use this speaker each and every part, because you have to double click on save, because there is a dash in here. So double click on and save. After that, it has saved. Like let me go to the first. You can understand. At first, when a program is, there will be a music, isn't it? There is a music. There's an intro music, like something intro music. After that, the anchors come and say, hello, how are you? What's up? I am Nikita. Welcome to my show. Like that's okay. So for that, like this segment has a music. There is no speech. For that, this segment have to mark as a no speech. There is no one, like there is no Nikita, there is no Joseph. You have to mark as a no speech. After that, you have to mark as a music or noise. If this is a music part, there is a music instrumental music, or there is a something else music, any music is happened. So you have to just mark it down as a music, and you have to just go to the box. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to write anything. You just have to mark as a tag. You have to just put a tag which is a music tag. How can I get the music tag? You have to put a alter key in your keyboard. Just hold it down. After that, the right arrow. There is a 4 arrow in right side in your keyboard. You have to just right arrow. You press the right arrow when holding the alter key. This box will appear. All of those you have to use in those speech. So those are very simple. Let me show you in those speech tag. There is a speech tag. There is a lot of tag, but you don't have to use those all tag in those transcription. But like suppose this one is a music. This part is a music. On this segment there is a music. So for that you have to go to the speech tag. You have to find that there is a music. Yes, let's show. See, there's a music. Then you have to just put it down as a music. Okay. After that you can go to the next thing. There is nothing to do more. This is a music part where I have just marked as a music, where I have a put a speaker no speech, where I have a just marked that this is a music, where I have to just put the tag which is music. If this is not a music, this is like a noise, like there's something noise, any noise, whatever it is, noise. There is a noise. There is no music. You have to go to the noise tag, because then this will be not music. This will be a tag of noise. You have to go to the speech tag. You have to go to the below. After that, you can see there is a noise tag. You have to just put the noise tag in here. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any question till now? You can ask me.
See, I'm basically a transcriber, so I whatever you've done, I've done in the past. So it's just a software that I can learn it easy.
Yes, yes. So it is clear
The
for
speaker
you.
tags, the initial cap that you said, everything is fine. I can easily understand it.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Then it's perfect. Okay. After that, then this is the noise tag. You have to put the noise. Okay. Let me go to this is the speakers. You have done with the speakers. So speakers means there is a person, woman one, there is a person, a man one. If you know the woman one's name, then you are just writing her name. If you know that man's one name, you're just writing her name. And the common speaker which is no speech, which dialect is non-native, whose gender is unknown. We are using this speaker for noise, for music, etc., etc. Okay. So
Okay.
after that, after that, after that I can show you something more like this one. Like this part and this part is a two segment. Like suppose if you suddenly you have, if you cut this audio as a two part, but that no one is necessary for two part. For that you can merge it. So how can you merge it? You can go to this question mark. You can see each and everything shortcut in here. But I will say you how to merge it. You have to click this box and you have to press Ultra key. Okay, after holding Ultra key, I just click on it. After that, if I merge these two, there is a two segment. Okay, that will be a one. I'm not merging this, but that will be like, okay. Let me merge this. There is that was a two segment. Okay, but now there is a one segment. Okay, this segment is a one segment. So you have to just whenever if by any chance you split in a wrong place, you can merge it down. You can merge it down as a like before. So how can you merge it? Just alter after the select two box, then merge. If you think there is a three box, then you can select three box. After that, press merge. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. So and one more thing, at the first I said you that this audio, this speech cannot be 15 second. This segment cannot be 15 second. It have to below 50 second, like 14, 13, 12, 11, those. Okay, it cannot be over 15 second. But this is a special case for those music, because this is, you can see this is a more than 15 second. This is more than 50 second. You can, as if there is a music like a 20 second, like a 30 second, like a 1 minute, you can make just only one segment for those. Okay, like a music, like a noise. You don't have to cut it down as a 15 second, 15 second, 15 second. You can just make a segment about whole those music, like a 1 minute music. You can make one segment. You just go to the choose noise speed, choose noise. After that, give the noise tag. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So after that, what you have to done, or what you have to do about the tags. There is some tags in here which you have to understand.
Mhm.
Which is very easy to understand.
Okay.
How can I get those tags? Press like alter key, like I said before, and go to press on right arrow. That the text box is appear. Let me start
Okay.
from the below. So no, let me start from the first. So there, you see that there is a lot of tag in here, but you don't have to use all of tag. You just have to use 4 tags from here. Which 4
Okay.
tags? Music tags for the music, noise tag for the noise. You understand for those two, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So after that, you have to use one more thing. There is a no speech. Okay. There is a
Yeah.
no speech. Which one is like this one? This one. There is a nothing. There is a nothing in this audio. No noise, no music, nothing. You have to go select this noise, no speech, select noise, or you don't have to select any other. You can select noise. After that, you can mark as a this one is no noise, but still there is a segment where no one is speaking. Though on for that you have to put no speech. If you hear there is no voice, like a plain, full plain, like a dot, nothing, then you have to press no speech. So basically, it happens for the at the first time, at the beginning, at the ending. In the below, in the middle of the audio, you can't find this segment. You can find this because all of those have to have a little bit noise, so that you have to mark as a noise. You have to put a noise tag. So it happens on a beginning and the ending of the audio. Sometimes, not every time. So after that, when you see, let me appear this box again. So speech tag. So there is a 4 tag. 4 tag. I said there one tag is music, one tag is noise, one tag is no speech. Okay, there is a 3 tag. I hope you are clear about 3 tags, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Then there is another tag which is in the last and which is the important one, the other speech. So basically, what is the other speech? Like suppose on this part, let me go to the bigger one. Okay, on this segment, like a woman is talking. Yes, I am happy to see you. Welcome to my show. We can't explain that how happy we are that we welcome you in our show. And in the middle of the part, in the middle of this segment, that person, that man has replied or something. The man has talked like a 2 word, 1 word or 2 word. 1 word means yes, this is a 1 word, and 2 word is thank you. There is a thank you is 1 word, and again he said thank you, thank you. Again he said thank you. So there is 2 words. So for maximum for 2 word, you just write the part. You don't have to split it any other segment. You can put other speech tag in for his speech. Like suppose, let me show you. um, Let me show you. Like suppose this woman is talking. Okay, you just mark her name, his speech. After that, you just write his speech, writing. But after that, on this portion, that person overlapped. Overlapped means that person has talked with him, talked with her. The woman is talking. She's not stopped. If she is stopped, you can make a segment. But if you think that it not stop, she is talking, and middle of that speech, that person also talk like a 2 word, like a thank you. Okay, there is a 2 word. For that, you have to just again alter and right arrow. Just this box appear, and this 4 last tag you have to use like a other speech. It means that Nikita Pandey is talking. This is her audio. This is her audio. This is the audio. After that, on this portion, when she she talked about that. After that, on that word, the man talked in a 1 word and 2 word, not more than that. Okay, like
Yeah.
a 1 or 2 word. For 3 word, there is another case. I will understand, make you understand that. But for you just put it in your mind that if that person overlap 1 word or 2 word, not more than 2 word, 1 word or 2 word, then you have to put other speech tag. After that, the woman is talking. After that, write the woman speech again. What she is talking, what she was talking.
So you don't need to type that thank you or okay in between that for the other speech.
It will be okay if this tag is between that, it will be okay. There is nothing.
Okay.
Basically this tag is always you will find it in between the audio, because it has to use for a
Overlap.
those overlap part. Who in the audio sometimes someone say okay,
Hmm.
understand. Like suppose I'm your host. I'm saying something. Yeah, yes. I feel so good. Last night party, that was a very perfect. And you are saying, yes, okay, yes. Like, this happens when you interview someone.
Hmm.
On that time, the anchor is showing his positivity. That's why she says these words like yes, okay. For those words, you don't have to write. You just have to put other speech in the audio,
Okay.
in the transcription part. Like that man is talking. On that part, she says okay. On that part, you just go to the speech tag. You have to go to the other speech. That
Okay.
you will understand on that part that that other person has just talked 1 or 2 words. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is the 4 tags. Okay, this is the 4 tags which you have to use for the speech tag.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So basically the meeting will be in. I will share the link again in the group. Just join again. Okay. Then we will
Yes.
start about the second part, like a text tag. Okay. It
Yes.
is also so easy, but there is an overlap. So I have to start another meeting so that I can make you understand in that meeting everything. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Okay, perfect.